Every workplace, everywhere, either produces products, renders services, or does both. And to provide these products and services, they all have one thing in common: the flow of materials. In manufacturing or industrial environments, this flow of materials typically entails the arrival of incoming goods, the production of products and byproducts, the creation of waste materials, and the storage and distribution of finished products. In the service and office environments, the flow of materials is similar and typically presents many of the problems that are associated with materials handling that are seen in the manufacturing sector, albeit usually on a smaller scale and often involving less hazardous materials. Now, if we combine this flow of materials with the movement of people, plus the use of tools and equipment, we end up with a need to keep the workplace neat and tidy, or in other words, a need for good housekeeping practices. Workplace housekeeping can be simply defined as the ongoing maintenance of all work areas and access ways to maintain a clean, tidy, and safe environment. But, as well as general cleaning and maintenance, good housekeeping practices